$22 a month. That is the price tag they are flashing in front of your eyes on every social media feed. It is a bold promise. Missing teeth replaced from the comfort of your own kitchen, without a single trip to a dental office. No trills, no surgery, no metal clasps digging into your gums. And honestly, it sounds almost too convenient to be true. I spent several days digging into the company called ResetSmile, and what I found was a strange mix of legitimate science and some very real red flags. The process seems simple enough on the surface. You order a kit. You bite into some putty to make a mold of your mouth, and a few weeks later, a custom 3D printed partial denture arrives in the mail. They use a material called Valplast, and I wanted to see if that was just a fancy marketing name. It turns out, Valplast is a real thermoplastic nylon resin. It has been around for over 60 years. It is flexible, it is biocompatible, and it is known for being incredibly durable in the dental world. The material itself is the real deal. The company behind it is based in New Jersey. They hold 2 patents for their specific manufacturing process, and they claim every single case is reviewed by a licensed dentist or a remote network. If you look at the public reviews, you might be convinced right away. Over 1,300 people on Trustpilot have given them high marks, with many praising the natural look and the massive cost savings compared to a local clinic. But then, I checked the Better Business Bureau. The rating there is a flat F. That is about as low as it gets. There are unresolved complaints about customer service being impossible to reach, people receiving the wrong sizes, and some users reported their dentures cracking within just a few months of use. This led me to a clinical study that really changed my perspective on the whole at-home model. The study found that when non-professionals try to take their own dental impressions, they only get it right about 50% of the time. That is a 50-50 shot. Half of those molds were missing critical details, or they lack the necessary pressure to be accurate. If that mold is off by even a tiny fraction, your new teeth are going to feel like a foreign object in your mouth. It is a high-stakes gamble with your daily comfort. ResetSmile is not a scam in the traditional sense. They use real dental materials and have thousands of happy customers. But you're basically betting on your own ability to act like a trained dental assistant. If you have a very straightforward gap and you are meticulous with following instructions, this could be a major win. But if your dental situation is even slightly complex, you might be setting yourself up for a lot of frustration. They do offer a 100-day money-back guarantee, which helps lower the risk, but your time and your sanity are still valuable. I investigate these things because marketing can be incredibly loud, and the truth is usually buried deep in the fine print. If this breakdown helped you navigate the world of direct-to-consumer dentistry, consider supporting the channel. You can use the links provided for your regular shopping. It helps keep these investigations independent. Stay sharp, keep questioning the ads, and I will see you in the next investigation.